How to tie a tie with the Marcus Garrett. This video is easy to follow if you're standing in front of a mirror to watch your Windsor knot come together. First, pop up the collars of your t-shirt. Loosely hang your tie around your neck. The length of every tie is different, but I like the tip of the tail to hang to the fourth button of my dress shirts, or the wide end should hang about twice the length of the tail, like shown here. How to tie your Windsor knot. If you're right-handed, hold the wide end of the tie in your right hand and the tail in your left.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
At or around your second button, cross the wide end over the top. This should leave about 4 inches or 10 centimeters on the tail. Wrap the tie around the collar you've made, like this. Now take the wide end and wrap it around the other side of the collar, as shown. At this step, adjust the progress you've made until it begins to look like a triangle. This will give the Windsor knot its signature look. If you follow the steps correctly to this point, the back of your tie is now facing outward. Place your index finger on top of the triangle and keep it there for the next few steps. With your other hand, wrap the wide end around the knot from right to left and grab it from behind, keeping your index finger in place.
So then, why?
With your right hand, push the wide end through the opening around your neck from the back, like shown. Use your index finger to guide your tie over and through, and you're almost done. You can move your index finger now and use both hands to guide, adjust, and tighten your tie to the desired look. The signature look of a Windsor knot is this triangle. Don't forget to pull your collar down. Congratulations, you just tied a Windsor knot. Thank you for subscribing.